So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can install and use Brave browser on Windows 11. So first of all, open the browser on your PC. Now here type Brave download. Now click on this first link that appears. Now here click on Get Brave for Windows. Now this shows unverified download blocked. Click on it. Now click on Download unverified file. Now click on this icon. And as you can see here, the file is downloaded. Click on it to run it. Now in this UAC prompt, click on Yes. And as you can see here, this is installing Brave browser on Windows. So wait until the process completes. And now Brave browser is opened. And now you can use it. So this is how you can install and use Brave browser on Windows 11. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.